Create a video showcasing the elegance and innovation of BMW, highlighting its sleek designs, cutting-edge technology, and driving experience that captivates enthusiasts around the world. In this segment, focus on a thrilling drive through breathtaking landscapes, emphasizing how every curve and straightaway brings out the true performance of a BMW, allowing drivers to feel the road like never before. Next, explore the craftsmanship behind each BMW, delving into the meticulous assembly process that combines technology and artistry alongside glimpses of future designs that promise to redefine automotive excellence. Highlight the joy of owning a BMW as we capture moments of drivers experiencing freedom and excitement, while also illustrating how innovative technology enhances every journey and connection to the road. Conclude the video by celebrating the lifestyle that comes with owning a BMW, where every moment is filled with adventure, camaraderie, and the thrill of the open road set against stunning backdrops. Wrap up the story by illustrating how a BMW is not just a car, but a symbol of lifestyle and aspiration, blending sophistication and excitement, making every outing an experience to cherish. End with a message of inspiration, where every new day brings fresh adventures and opportunities, and a BMW is there to accompany you on every journey, creating memories that last a lifetime. In the final moments, reflect on how a BMW is more than just a vehicle. It fosters connections, adventures, and unforgettable memories, proving to be a trusted companion through life's many journeys. Conclude by celebrating the legacy of BMW as a brand that stands for performance, luxury, and passion, where each model is crafted to inspire and push the boundaries of what driving can be. Finish with an emphasis on the accolades that BMW has earned over the years, showcasing its commitment to innovation and excellence, ensuring every drive is an exhilarating experience. As the story concludes, reflect on how owning a BMW connects people through a shared passion for cars, creating community and inspiring dreams of speed and adventure. In closing, emphasize that every BMW journey is filled with opportunities for connection, discovery, and joy, reminding us all that life's greatest moments are often spent on the road. Wrap up the narrative by celebrating the allure of the open road and the joy of driving a BMW, where each journey is an invitation to explore the world and share experiences with others. Conclude by highlighting the versatility of a BMW, from cozy moments to thrilling adventures, reminding us that every drive is an opportunity to create cherished memories and embrace life's experiences. End the story by reflecting on how a BMW embodies the perfect fusion of innovation and tradition, inviting drivers to not just travel, but to engage with the world around them in style and comfort. Finish with the notion that a BMW is not just a means of transportation, but a companion for memorable adventures and cherished moments, driving home the essence of joy in every journey. Conclude by reinforcing the idea that every BMW is crafted for those who seek adventure and elegance, making it more than just a car. It's a lifestyle choice that opens doors to new experiences.